Guys, I have some more breaking news, and this time it has to do with the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Diesel and 2021 Jeep Gladiator Diesel truck. And the news has to do with some accessories that just are coming out and special editions. Some of it is official. Today, FCA announced and Jeep announced that Jeep Performance Parts suspension lift kit is available for the diesel models, Gladiator and Wrangler. But we also have a leak for 2021 Jeeps. So let's start with some official information and then go to some of the unofficial information that may offer us a glimpse into the future of these Jeep trucks and, of course, Wranglers. So this is not new, but a few weeks ago, Jeep announced the EcoDiesel Jeep Gladiator with the 3-liter V6 and an 8-speed automatic. It will tow up to 6,000 pounds for the Jeep diesel truck. But traditionally, diesel engines are heavier than gas engines. So they had to come up with its own lift kit system just for the diesel versions of their Wranglers and Gladiators. And this is it. This is the news that just came out today. And we actually have a lot of experience with Jeep Performance Parts, because just a couple of months ago, Tommy and the team have been working on our 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. And here's a little video preview or review of what we've done. We actually went to the dealer and got only Jeep Performance Parts. And we did it because it's all warranted and it all was designed to work together as a whole. So this is basically a suspension lift kit. This is a gas-powered truck that we have. It's riding on 35s. It's got lots of clearance. Jeep says that it can add up to about 18% more articulation. And we've tested this Jeep. And of course, we got the lights and all the other accessories as well, including a snorkel and a winch and the switches inside the truck and a lot of other goodies. And we've tested it. Here it is on the highway. We've tested it in Moab too. So if you go to TFO Truck YouTube channel, you'll see videos up there on shakedowns in Moab, Utah, and the suspension kit works wonders. Usually when you lift a truck, sometimes you compromise some of the ride quality, but the ride quality with these shocks, 2.5-inch body Fox shocks, is just really good. So it's basically the same type of tuning or same type of specs on this particular kit, but it's tuned for the heavier weight of the diesel engine, and the kit will cost $1,495. Of course, installation would be extra. Technically, you could do it yourself if you have some tools and some skill, or you can bring it to a dealer and they'll order it for you and they'll do it for you for an additional cost. Of course, it comes with a lot of different components, springs, connecting rods, and different types of arms for the suspension, and heavy-duty bushings, and it's all designed to work beautifully together, as we have found with our gas-powered truck. And here's a biggie in my mind. For an extra $125, the dealership can also recalibrate your trip meter and your speedometer for the larger tire set. This wasn't available before. When we went to the Jeep dealer, in May, just 2-3 months ago, this option wasn't available. We put 35-inch tall tires on our Jeep Gladiator, and now our speedometer and our odometer is off a little bit. So they can actually reconfigure it for you and do it properly and under warranty and have everything work just right for you. So this is the official news. That's coming very soon. And both for Wrangler Diesel and Gladiator Diesel, once again. Now, let's turn our attention to some leaked information. This comes to us courtesy of JeepGladiatorForum.com. And these guys found some order guides, apparently, and they published some information for 2021, including a Jeep order guide information from a dealership, I believe. And the big news here is that the Gladiator wheelies and 80th anniversary are coming, specifically for the truck. This is not confirmed officially by Jeep yet, but I'm kind of, this looks pretty real, so I wanted to show it to you because this is pretty exciting. The Jeep version This version of the Jeep Wrangler has been around for a while. Everybody kind of loves this type of look. And it will be available in Sport for $35,245, once again unofficially. Or you can get the other upgraded package for $39,000. And then 80th anniversary. Yes, Jeep brand is 80 years old. It started in 1941 during World War II, and now in 2021 it's 80 years. So they're doing special things apparently for that anniversary, and that's very, very likely because they did special editions for the 75th anniversary very recently, 5 years ago. Once again, special 18-inch wheels, badging, different colors, remote start. And according to this will start at $41,740 for the Gladiator. And I'm sure Jeep will not only include this on the Gladiator, but across their range, because last time for the 75th anniversary, they had it on the Grand Cherokee, the Wrangler, and several other models. All had similar color patterns, similar themes, celebrating their anniversary, which is a lot of heritage obviously that comes with it. So that's some of the leaked information, unofficial. And it says right here you can start ordering your 2021 Jeep Gladiators. And I believe it because many other manufacturers have opened their 2021 order guides as well. And all of them must compete and offer new and updated options. So a lot of exciting things happening. And once again, if you look at my shirt, no pavement needed. The Jeep Gladiator that we're building, and also the Chevy Trail Boss Silverado and the Ford F-250 Super Tremor, our project trucks. We're still building them. We're taking them off-road, long distance on dirt. And this just makes it even better because we know now that there are more options available for Jeep trucks. And guys, go back to tfloffroad.com, our website with specifically focused on off-roading, and of course tfltruck.com for all of this type of news as well. Thank you.